this is Storm Ushry, Conservation Education Manager with the New Mexico Department of Game and Fish. And this is our video, the end, the conclusion. And I hope you all enjoyed the various modules and videos that were shown to you throughout this virtual academy. And me being an employee with 15 years on, I learned a lot from our various presenters, whether they were wildlife biologists, fisheries biologists, and some of our officers. And it was a joy to work on this project, and just wanted to stress that this definitely was just the tip of the iceberg. And if you're interested in a career getting into wildlife and fisheries, it truly is a fun profession to get into. It's just not a job. It's not a job where, you know, it's like, hey, I'm just going to go out and work 8 to 5 and bring home a paycheck. It truly is a profession that will help change you as a person, and in such a positive way. And I know it's helped define or make me who I am today. These videos were made to encourage, to educate, and to inspire you. And I just want to stress that each and every one of you are an extremely important person, and that your goals are very worthy. They're very attainable. And at the end of the day, you know, I don't care if you don't really want to get into the profession of being a wildlife and fisheries professional, but just whatever you decide to make your profession, to do it with everything you've got every day. It's going to take a lot of devotion, a lot of heart, a lot of effort, a lot of hard work. But whether you want to be a police officer or a paramedic or a teacher or you're wanting to get into any trade, just know that it's going to take a lot of hard work, and don't ever give up on your goals and your dreams. Don't ever give up on yourself, and just go out there and make the most of it and do something that you're going to have a lot of fun with. And I'd like to also give you all a personal challenge. This personal challenge, what I would like to do, you know, if you're a mid-school or high school student, you know, college, whatever, if the teacher steps up and they're like, hey, you need to pick team members today, and maybe it's in PE class, and you've got to pick your basketball players for the day. Don't always pick people that you know. Don't always pick people that you know have the best skill set for that particular project, or maybe it is playing basketball. Don't pick the best. There's always going to be potentially that one individual that may always get picked last, and be the better person and step up and pick them. And by doing that, you're starting to build an important skill set that will be very beneficial to you in life. And that is building a relationship with those you may not know very well, a team building concept. So you're working on your leadership capabilities. And at the end of the day, that feeling that you will get for knowing that you pick the individual that maybe not everybody would pick first, even if it means you're not going to get a W for the day, who cares, you know? But you're going to get such a feeling of accomplishment and just knowing that you did the right thing. And imagine what you're going to make that other person feel. They're going to feel like they're on cloud 9, like, hey, I wasn't picked last today. And you never know, that individual may have a very important skill set that they can teach you. You in turn can teach that individual an important skill set. But just by doing that one personal challenge is going to help you grow as a person, and it's also going to help that other person grow. And that's what true leadership is all about. And I just want to thank you and wish you all the best of luck. And again, I just want to thank all of our presenters or the people that participated in this project. And with that, if our paths ever cross up in the high country, just know that you're always welcome at my campfire. And with that, we'll say adios. Have a great day.